Hi, this is Jimmy V with SM Lawrence Company. I'm standing downtown Memphis in front of the FedExForum, home to the NBA team, the Memphis Grizzlies, and the University of Memphis Tiger basketball, plus a lot of other events and concerts that go on in downtown Memphis. What I want to talk to you about today is a product that we installed. It's a power conditioning product made by the company PowerwoRx, or owned by Continental Power. We installed 21 of the devices back in October of 2009. So we've had about 9 months of data. So we're going to take a look at the product, talk to Clayton Poff, who's owner of Energy Cost Reducers here in town, who represents the PowerwoRx product. And we're going to look at utility bills, interview the chief engineer, plus the vice president of Arena Ops here at the FedExForum. So come on in, let's take a look.
Hi, this is Clayton Poff. I'm one of the owners of a company called Energy Cost Reducers, and as was told earlier about the FedExForum's energy efficiency project, here's the actual hardware that has caused such a great situation with the reduction of the utility bill. What we have here is our flute meter. This is a data logger, and the key to the data logging is a power quality assessment. Allows us to know pre and then post of what these particular power quality conditioners have done. Now, Continental Power's manufacturing of these is actually in Tennessee, and these particular devices are rarity on the market with their particular 3 technologies. They've synergistically put the 3 technologies of power factor correction, active harmonic filtration, and also interior and exterior surge and spike protection with industrial grade MOVs. And really what that does with these 3 technologies synergistically working together is that overall throughout the entire facility, for these 2 boxes are just 2 out of 21 spread throughout the facility, it really reduces the heat on every electrical wire within an entire facility. And that's where the reduction of your utility bill comes, with the reduction of heat. So that power quality conditioning in and of itself, done with these 3 types of technologies synergistically working together, is a proven technology for reducing the overall utility bills, both kilowatt hours and kW demand. Again, one of the key elements of this and the engineering of this is the data logger, which allows you to understand what the facility's needs are. And then these devices are actually manufactured to spec to the building facility. It's not a one-shot wonder. It's not a one-size-fits-all. It's a pre-engineered power quality conditioning system specifically designed for individual job sites.
Since the installation of the PowerwoRx devices, we've seen a dramatic decrease in any power fluctuations within the building. Departments that we have in the building that rely on electronics have seen fewer instances where they've had to reset equipment because of voltage fluctuation. With regard to installation, it went fairly smooth. The installation team was out within a week, and we didn't have any interruptions at all with any of the power in the building. So if anybody is looking for a product that will give them true clean power, I would strongly recommend installing this product.
Yeah, welcome inside the bowl of FedExForum. As you can see, we're getting a little bit of work done today. My part of the operations is mostly to handle the budgets with the engineering department. And one of the things we look at is return on investment when we go to our ownership group and tell them to lay out some money for a product that I think will save us money in the long run. I can tell you right now that this product has worked. We are probably a little bit ahead of schedule on the return on investment in the 9 months we've had it, so we're very pleased with it. We thank SM Lawrence for bringing the product to us, and also doing the vetting process of making sure the product was going to work and return our investment for the ownership group. A few other things that's also helped us with on the chillers, we've had to replace some cards in years past at $7,000 a card. Replacing 2 or 3 of those gets expensive. Also, we've noticed that we don't have to reset the shunt breakers as much, and actually very few times in the 9 months that we've had it. So we can definitely tell the brownouts have minimized, if not come to almost none. But anyway, it's a product we believe in because it's proven itself, and we hope it works for you.